Namaste and good evening. Welcome to Unity in Diversity, a musical evening brought to you by Akshay Patra's DC area chapter. My name is Anu Prabala and I'm the co-chair of Akshay Patra's DC area chapter. As you all may know, Akshay Patra serves midday meals to millions of children across schools in India, and our DC area chapter is committed to raising awareness for this wonderful charity. It gives me great pleasure to share that this is our first ever independent event as a young Akshay Patra chapter, and we are so thankful for your attendance this evening. Our goal with this event is simple: to have fun. With so much going on around us, we all need a break, don't we? And how better to liven up our spirit than to lose ourselves in music? It was the poet George Eliot who said, "Life seems to go on without effort when I'm filled with music." We have lined up an extraordinary array of artists this evening to make sure that it's effortless fun. We have Mrs. Sarbari Gangopadhyay, a Hindustani classical vocalist, Mr. Ratan Kumar, Mr. Shailendra Kumar, and Mr. Ramarao Chintaluri, who will entertain us with Hindi film songs. And our youngest 11-year-old musician, Hriday Sivakumar, who's a classically trained mandolin player. A huge thank you to all of our musicians for dedicating time and effort to prepare for this event. As you can see, the diversity of musical styles this evening match the versatile range of music from India, Akshay Patra's birth home. And to spice up the evening some more, we have two talented youth as your MCs for the evening, Kanush and Krish Jain. So without further ado, let me hand it over to this dynamic young duo and get you closer to the wonderful music you've all been waiting for. Take it away, Kanush and Krish, and thank you for your support of Akshay Patra.
As you heard before, I'm Kanush, and this loser is...
Krish, I'm Krish. And just to clarify, the loser is sitting next to me.
Of course. And we would like to welcome you to this musical event held by Akshay Patra. We hope you enjoy.
Akshay Patra is a charity organization dedicated to feeding the kids in India that are not fortunate and blessed enough to feed themselves.
They are the largest NGO-run lunch-serving program and serve a wholesome lunch to over 1.8 million kids across 14 states in India each day. In fact, around 3,437 lakhs worth of food was delivered to children all across the nation of India.
If you'd like to donate to this amazing cause, please look to the link pinned to the comment section.
If you donate just $20, you can feed a child in India for a full year. Akshay Patra is also helping with COVID-19 relief, and $25 can feed 2 people for 21 days.
Wow, that's amazing! Also, just $5 can contribute 55 meals to kids across the country.
Please donate whatever you can, whether it's $50 or $500, any amount of money will go to a good use.
Now that that's out of the way, we can get to the main events. Do you know why we started Ganesh Bhajan?
It sounds cool.
Yes, that's good. Wait, no, what? As expected, your intelligence is just no match for mine. It's because Ganeshji has the head of an elephant, and elephants are big, and the bigger the better, so that's why I came first, obviously.
Or, the real answer is that you don't know what you're talking about, and it's actually because seeing Ganeshji's condition after he beheaded him in anger, Lord Shiva decided to bless him so that no puja will happen without starting with Ganeshji.
Anyways,
first up, we will have a Ganesh Bhajan from esteemed Hindustani classical vocalist Sarbari Gangopadhyay.
Sarbari is a gold medalist in MA from Rabindra Bharati University and got the prestigious title of Surmani from Mumbai.
She has many accolades, in fact so many, that naming all of them would take longer than her actual performance.
So without further ado, let's give a round of applause from your comfy couches for Sarbari Gangopadhyay.
Namaskar. I'm Shortburi Gangopadhyay from Maryland, USA. I wish all my Indian friends and families a very happy Independence Day. I would like to thank all the supporting team members of Akshay Patra, DC, for inviting me to sing on this special occasion. Please join us for my upcoming concert, which is on October 25th, Saturday, for my Hindustani classical performance on the occasion of Navaratri. It's a great honor for me to sing and to be with all of you today. So today I'll be singing Ganesh Vandana in Rag Yaman. Thank you. वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सब लायक शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन मोदक प्रिय मोद मंगल दाता मोदक प्रिय आ आ मोदक प्रिय मोदक प्रिय मोद मंगल दाता विद्या वारिधि बुद्धि विधाता विद्या वारिधि बुद्धि विधाता विद्या वारिधि बुद्धि विधाता शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन मंगत तुलसी दास कर जोड़े मंगत तुलसी दास कर जोड़े आ मंगत तुलसी दास कर जोड़े मंगत तुलसी दास कर जोड़े बस ही राम सिय मानस मोरे 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 शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन थैंक यू नमस्कार
Next up, we have a duo performance of the patriotic and inspirational songs by Ratan and Shailendra Kumar.
Ratan and Shailendra ji are well known to Maryland, D.C. and Virginia communities for their versatile singing and humbleness. Ratan is a trained singer and received her master's in music from Allahabad University. Shailendra is a gifted artist who developed his passion for music after marrying Ratan. The duo is famous for nostalgic Bollywood songs, folk songs, and Sufi compositions. They have supported all charities, organizations, and temples selflessly.
Ratan and Shailendra ji will be performing songs by prestigious artists like Mana De, Mahinder Kapoor, Rafi, and more.
So get ready for a patriotic and inspirational musical journey with Ratan and Shalandar Kumar.
मेरे प्यारे वतन मेरे बिछड़े चमन तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान तू ही मेरी आरज़ू तू ही मेरी आबरू तू ही मेरी जान तेरे दामन से जो आए हवाओं को सलाम तेरे दामन से जो आए हवाओं को सलाम चूम लूं मैं उस ज़ुबान को जिस पे आए तेरा नाम सबसे प्यारी सुबह तेरी सबसे रंगीन तेरी शान तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान तू ही मेरी आरज़ू तू ही मेरी आबरू तू ही मेरी जान मासा दिल बन के कभी सीने से लग जाता है मासा दिल बन के कभी सीने से लग जाता है और कभी नन्ही सी मेरी पंखे याद आता है कितना याद आता है मुझको खुद न तड़पाता है तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान तू ही मेरी आरज़ू तू ही मेरी आबरू तू ही मेरी जान
बोल रे पपी हरा बोल रे पपी हरा नित धन बरसे नित मन प्यासा नित मन प्यासा नित मन तरसे
पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान। ये शौकियाँ ये पागलपन जो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं। ये शौकियाँ ये पागलपन जो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं। दिलों को जीतने का फन जो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं। मैं तेरी आँखों में पा गया तो जहाँ। मैं तेरी आँखों में पा गया तो जहाँ। मेरी जो नज़बी तुझे मालूम नहीं। तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान। तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान। तू मीठे बोल जाने मन जो मुस्कुरा के बोल दे। तू मीठे बोल जाने मन जो मुस्कुरा के बोल दे। के धड़कनों में आज भी शराबी रंग घोल दे। ओ सनम मैं तेरा आशिक़े जाविदा। ओ सनम मैं तेरा आशिक़े जाविदा। ऐ मेरी जो नज़बी तुझे मालूम नहीं। तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान। तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान। तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान।
So, we mentioned a little bit of information about Akshay Patra a while ago, but up next will be a bit more of a detailed explanation.
After all, we're just a couple of random dudes who just got here. We aren't experts or anything.
Speaking of experts, here's the co-chair of Akshay Patra DC chapter, Rajiv Jain, to explain more.
Akshaya Patra, the unlimited bowl of abundance and sustenance, founded in 2000 in Bengaluru, India, began serving 1,500 meals to a small group of school children. The organization has grown to become the world's largest midday meal program to alleviate child classroom hunger. With the highest efficiency and a commitment to quality, 7,300 employees, including 30% women, work in 48 ISO standard Akshaya Patra kitchens, preparing between 10,000 to 250,000 meals in 6 hours.
गरीब परिवार वाले जो बच्चे हैं वो इस खाने से स्कूल में जाके खा लेते हैं तो एक टाइम का अपना पेट भर लेते हैं.
More than 800 custom-designed trucks transport the meals in hygienic conditions to arrive perfectly on time, 6 days a week.
कुछ ना कुछ आता रहता है, जैसे सोमवार को यानी मंडे को कुछ ना अलग, जैसे दाल सब्जी रोटी. कोई बार वो येलो कलर की रोटी वो बहुत अच्छी लगती है, उसमें अजवाइन.
Independent studies by Harvard Business School and Nielsen on Akshaya Patra's midday meal program show increased school attendance, especially among girls, a lower dropout rate, and strengthened social development.
क्योंकि खाने से हमें कई प्रकार के विटामिन प्रोटीन वगैरह मिलते हैं और उससे हमें मानसिक का जो हमारा दिमाग होता है उसका विकास होता है, ऊर्जा मिलती है खाने से हमें।
If you educate a student, 10th grade or maybe even college, it pretty much pulls that whole family out of the circle of poverty.
मेरे को बड़े होकर पुलिस बनना है और क्योंकि मैं देश की रक्षा के लिए।
So when we talk about feeding 1.7 million children every day, it's not just the 1.7 million children, it's really 1.7 million families which look up to the hope that someday these children will grow up and pull that whole family out of the poverty.
Food and education go together. You could be sitting in a class in an Ivy League school, but if you haven't eaten in the last 24 hours, nothing makes sense. And this is you as an adult. So consider a growing child. It's necessary that they get a hot meal and that it be unlimited.
I think the most fun part was visiting the schools because I got to talk with a group of kids, all girls who are my age, and I realized that they were just like me. They had the same goals, same ambitions, and then I realized that we were the same. It's just that we were born with different opportunities.
Focusing on maintaining the highest levels of governance and transparency, Akshaya Patra has won the Gold Shield Award of Excellence in Accounting from the Indian Accountants Association over multiple years, becoming the sole NGO to earn a place in the Hall of Fame.
We love many things about Akshaya Patra. It has outstanding corporate governance. It's really well run. It's got a really strong board. And so that gives a lot of confidence that your money is going to go where it matters the most.
I think it's a win-win situation. It is, of course, a win for the recipient because there is a need out there that needs to be fulfilled. But there's also a need within the giver or the donor to do something that will make you feel good about yourself. Both parties benefit. The donor benefits, or the worker benefits, or the volunteer benefits, and the receiver benefits. There are not many things in life that have that kind of a joy on both sides.
There is no better expenditure of money, and it's really important for these kids to stay in school and to learn. So I love this program.
Giving that comes from a place of abundance is spiritual. Children have infinite potential.
In this extraordinary effort to feed the hungry children in schools by contributing whatever you can.
Wow, wasn't that impressive? Every time I visit Akshaya Patra kitchen or watch these videos, I'm amazed every time. What I love about Akshaya Patra is their cause, their approach, their skills, their operational excellence, and that results into their scale. And with that scale, they make a huge impact. Let's take a little bit deeper look into that. At Akshaya Patra, our goal is to have no child deprived of education because of hunger. We are world's largest NGO school meal program, serving 1.8 million hot, nutritious meals to government school children every day in more than 19,000 schools. We operate these 51 mega kitchens in 13 states and 2 union territories. And to deliver meal into these 19,000 plus schools, we have more than 800 custom-built trucks. All of our food is served in what is known as hot chain, where the food is kept at temperature more than 65 degrees centigrade. So these trucks are designed for that. So when there's not only that hot chain keeps the food fresh, it also tastes good. It's hot when it is served to the kids. Let's take a look at the economics of how it works. It takes, as Kanush and Krish mentioned, it takes only $20 to feed a kid for the entire school year. Government provides 11 cents per meal as part of the midday meal program. And then we raise from donors like you 9 cents for each meal. So with 20 cents and with our operational efficiency, we can deliver really good, nutritious, and tasty meal. And also these meals, these recipes are very much regionalized. A kid in Rajasthan will get meal that is more Rajasthani recipe, whereas a kid in Bangalore would get more of their local recipe from there. And also, no recipe is repeated for 30 days. So coming back to the cost part, so even though the total cost of the meal is 20 cents, really what we are looking for raising is only 9 cents. And that 9 cents for 232 days of school year means about $20 per year for feeding one kid for the entire school year. And here is nice thing about Akshaya is that with very high operational efficiencies, our overheads are very low. So 90 cents of every dollar that you donate goes towards serving meal. And with all of that comes the impact. There have been numerous studies that have measured the impact of Akshaya. So when Akshaya starts to serve in a region, the schools in a region, what we have found is that enrollment is improved. Now the disadvantaged or poor families send more of their children to the school because kids can get the free meal at the school. Also, the retention is high, dropout rates are lower. When these kids have food in their belly, they learn better. The last point is very important for me. Akshaya also increases school attendance, especially in the girls. And that has a ripple effect on our social fabric in India. When these girls go to school, they get educated. That means they get married at a later age. That means they bear their first child at an even later age. And when they have their own kids, they encourage their own kids to go to the school. One of the things we have learned in the last several decades is that it takes multiple generations to eradicate poverty. And with these girls going to these schools, getting the meal from Akshaya, they're the starting point of these dominoes, these positive dominoes. So you may wonder, during these time of COVID crisis, with the schools closed, what is Akshaya doing? So let me have Kanush and Chris play another video for you.
बाटी में हमारे यहाँ यानी लेबर लगी हुई है, उनको खाने की बहुत आवश्यकता थी।
2 दिन से अब पहले भूखे मर रहे थे बच्चे और आदमी सभी। अब यहाँ खूब अच्छा भोजन आ रहा है तो सबको तृप्ति हो रही है, कोई भूखा नहीं सो रहा है।
It really humbles me to see how Akshaya Patra has served more than 75 million meals since the onset of this COVID crisis. And all of this is possible because of the generous donation from donors like you. So let's talk about that. How can you help? Of course, you can help with your generous donation, whether you can donate $5, $50, $500, or $5,000. Please donate generously. In the comment section, there is a pinned comment, and that is the link for the donation page. Please click on that link, and you can donate online with a credit card. Again, donate generously whatever you can, whether it is $5, $50, $500, or $5,000. You can also donate with your time and with your skill. Akshaya Patra DC chapter is a very young chapter. We were founded in February of this year. We are looking for volunteers who can help us with marketing, project management, event management, technology. If you are a yoga instructor, you can help us teach yoga, conduct yoga classes. If you are a chef, you can conduct cooking classes for us. So any help you can provide, any skills you can bring to the table, and if you can donate your time. My contact information is here on the screen. It is also in the same pinned comment in the Facebook comments. So I would love to hear from you. Please drop me a note if you would love to volunteer for Akshaya Patra DC chapter. Thank you. And with that, let me hand you back to Krish and Kanush. Thank you.
Have you ever heard the phrase old is gold? No, not that kind of gold. I mean old black and white Bollywood songs.
Oh, you mean the Stone Age?
No, not that kind of old. Oh my goodness.
Well then, let's give a hand from home for Ratan and Shalindarji performing some old black and white Bollywood songs, as well as a tribute for Krishna Janmashtami, which was on August 11th.
नंद महर घर बाजत बधाई, नंद महर घर बाजत बधाई, बाजत बधाई आज बाजत बधाई, नंद महर घर बाजत बधाई, नंद महर घर बाजत बधाई।
जख्मों का पया याद आया आपके लब पे कभी अपना भी नाम आया था, शोक नजरों से मोहब्बत का पाया था, उम्र भर साथ निभाने का पाया आया था, उम्र भर साथ निभाने का पाया आया था। कितने भूले हुए जख्मों का पता याद आया रूह में जलती बुझती हुई यादों के लिए कैसे दीवाने थे हम आपको पाने के लिए, यूं तो कुछ कम नहीं जो आपने एहसान किए, यूं तो कुछ कम नहीं जो आपने एहसान किए, फर्ज मांगे थे न पाया वो सिला याद आया, कितने भूले हुए जख्मों का पता याद आया आज वो बात नहीं, फिर भी कोई बात तो है मेरे हिस्से में, हल्की सी मुलाकात तो है, गैर का हो के भी ये हुस्न मेरे साथ तो है, गैर का हो के भी ये हुस्न मेरे साथ तो है, हाय किस वक्त मुझे बुका सिला याद आया, कितने भूले हुए जख्मों का पता याद आया दिल नाशाद आया
ये शाम की तन्हाइयाँ ऐसे में तेरा गम, ये शाम की तन्हाइयाँ ऐसे में तेरा गम, पत्ते कहीं धड़के हवा राज की बात है, महफिल में कहे या न कहे, बस गया है कोई इस दिल में, कहे या न कहे, कहे या न कहे। निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, दिलों जा लुटाने को जी चाहता है, दिलों जा लुटाने लुटाने को जी चाहता है, जी चाहता है। वो तोहमत जिसे इश्क कहती है दुनिया, वो तोहमत जिसे इश्क कहती है दुनिया, कहती है दुनिया, वो तोहमत जिसे इश्क कहती है दुनिया, वो तोहमत उठाने को जी चाहता है, वो तोहमत उठाने को जी चाहता है, वो तोहमत उठाने को जी चाहता। किसी के मनाने में लज़्ज़त वो पाई, किसी के मनाने में लज़्ज़त वो पाई, लज़्ज़त वो पाई, किसी के मनाने में लज़्ज़त वो पाई, कि फिर रूठ जाने को जी चाहता है, कि फिर रूठ जाने को जी चाहता है, मेरा रूठ जाने को जी चाहता है, दिलों जा लुटाने को जी चाहता है। वो जलवा जो ओझल भी है सामने भी, वो जलवा जो ओझल भी है सामने भी, है सामने भी, वो जलवा जो ओझल भी है सामने भी, वो जलवा चुराने को जी चाहता है, 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 वो जलवा चुराने को जी चाहता हो। जिस घड़ी मेरी निगाहों को तेरी दीद हुई, वो घड़ी मेरे लिए निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता
Stop. What do you think you're doing? How do you have the audacity to defile this instrument?
What's wrong? Can you not comprehend my amazing talent?
Incorrect! Yeah, you're right. I can't comprehend your amazingly sad excuse for string plucking.
Hey!
But we do have someone who plays mandolin, and his string plucking actually has talent, unlike yours.
Please welcome Rode, an 11-year-old boy who was trained by the acclaimed Sri U. Rajesh, brother of late Sri U. Srinivas, also known as Mandolin Srinivas.
Rude's effortless plucking of the mandolin strings is bound to steal your heart.
Thank you, Akshaya Patra DC chapter, for this wonderful opportunity. I'm going to perform 3 songs in the electric mandolin. The first song I'm going to play is Hum Honge Kamyab. This song is the translated version in Hindi language of the gospel We Shall Overcome. This song focuses on team building, self-belief, social equality, unity, crossing barriers, and a truly uplifting song for children across the globe. I chose this song as it glorifies unity in diversity. Thank you. The second song I'm going to play is Sangamam. This song is composed by the great mandolin U. Srinivas during the 50th year of India's independence. Sangamam means unity. Tyagaraja on Lord Krishna in the Raga Hindola, set to Aditala. Thank you.
Stop this madness. You can't sing. It hurts. But you know who can sing?
Me.
No. Not even close. Rama Raoji can sing though.
Oh, you mean the Rama Raoji, who sang since his childhood and was influenced by the likes of Kishore, Rafi, Manade, Mukesh, and others?
Yes, that Rama Raoji, who never received any formal training and whose love for singing grows day by day.
Well, I wouldn't mind hearing him sing.
Well, you're in luck. Please give a warm welcome to Rama Rao Chintaluri as he performs karaoke songs by artists like Mahendra Kapoor, Kishore, Udit Narayan, and more.
Hi everyone, my name is Ramarao Chintaluri and I would like to thank the Maryland chapter, Maryland DC chapter of Akshay Patra for giving me this opportunity. I have a handful of songs prepared for this evening and I would like to start with a patriotic number and then we will slowly progress to light melodies and some high energy ones. Hope you enjoy the evening. Thank you. क्लासिक्स, म्यूजिक बाय कल्याण जी आनंद जी, संग बाय किशोर कुमार। मूवी का नाम है घर घर की कहानी। गाना तो आप समझ गए होंगे। समा है सुहाना सुहाना वैसे जहाँ है, किसी को किसी की खबर ही कहाँ है। हर दिल में देखो मोहब्बत जवां है। समा है सुहाना सुहाना The next song I have for you is from a relatively recent movie. Not so recent, but from 1998, Dil Se. The movie music is by A.R. Rahman, and the song goes as Ajnabi Tu Bhi Kabhi. रोज रोज रेशम सी हवा The next song is from a movie regarded as one of the all-time hits for Shah Rukh Khan. The movie goes as Dil Wale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, and the song is Rukh Ja O Dil Diwane. रुक जाओ दिल दीवाने, पूछूं तो मैं जरा, लड़की है या जादू, खुशबू है या नशा। रुक जाओ दिल दीवाने, पूछूं तो मैं जरा, लड़की है या खुशबू है या नशा। पास वो आए तो छुके मैं देखूं जरा, रुक जा ओ दिल दीवाने, पूछूं तो मैं जरा। Now I'm down to the last two songs of my presentation. This one won a Filmfare Award for both the singers. Movie is Fana. La 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 la, hey 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 la. जो करता हमारी देता वो तुमको बता शर्मो हया के पर्दे गिरा के करनी है हमको खता जिद है अब तो हसद को मिटाना होना है तुझ में बना चांद सिफारिश जो करता हमारी देता वो तुमको बता शर्मो हया के पर्दे गिरा के करनी है हमको बता गुजर जाने दे तेरी लटक है कि जैसे डाली दिल में उतर जाने दे आ जबाहों में चल के बहाना होना है तुझ में बना चांद सिफारिश जो करता हमारी देता वो तुमको बता शर्मो हया गिरा के करनी है हमको बता Subhanallah, Subhanallah. Patra for having me tonight. We're down to the last song of the evening. The song is from Mission Kashmir, Ring Poshmal, and it's about, if you know the lyrics, about spreading peace through music.
जगमगुनाने सारी दुनिया को एक सुर में सजाने सबके दिलों से नफरत को मिटाने आओ यारो मेरे संग संग बोलो रंग खुशहाल जिंदगी आए बोलो ये आया हूँ मैं प्यार का ये जगमगुनाने सारी दुनिया को सबके दिलों से नफरत को मिटाने आओ यारो मेरे संग आए बोलो रंग खुशहाल जिंदगी आए बोलो
सरहद के पार संगीत में दीप बार पतझड़ की राहें बार संगीत को न रोके दीवार संगीत जहाँ सरहद के पार ओ संगीत मानेगा धर्म का संगीत से जुड़ी कायनात संगीत जीना कोई जुबान संगीत में है गीता कुरान संगीत में है अल्लाह नाम संगीत में है दुनिया जहां संगीत मानेगा धर्म का संगीत से जुड़ी कायनात संगीत जीना कोई जुबान संगीत में है गीता कुरान संगीत में है अल्लाह नाम संगीत में है दुनिया जहां तूफान सागर तू मोड़ता है संगीत टूटे दिल को जोड़ता है रंग खुशहाल गिनने गानों लो खुशहाल गिनने गानों लो Thank you.
Okay, maybe you're right. I can't sing.
Half of the audience probably tuned out just because of your throat torture.
Alright. Anyways, thanks for tuning into this musical event today.
We hope you enjoyed everything except for Chris sounding like a dying frog.
Hey, come on now. It wasn't that bad.
Once again, please click the link pinned in the comment section to donate and contribute meals to kids across India.
Any amount of money counts, whether it's $50 or $500.
Once again, we hope you had a great time through this musical journey.
Thank you and good night.
Akshay Patra has a lot more events coming up. On September 20th at 7:30 p.m., Akshay Patra DC chapter proudly presents music concert and an evening to remember with Bollywood old and new Hindi songs by Hemant, DJ and group. Be sure to tune in. On October 25th at 7:30 p.m., get ready for Music for the Soul, featuring Sarburi Gangopadhyay. Enjoy different vocal forms of Hindustani classical and light classical bhajans in praise of Goddess Durga. Be sure to tune in. Thanks.